Today we're going to take a look at order of operations. We also call it BEDMAS, but that's more of a hint. The concept is order of operations, and it's not something that you should think of as a math lesson. This is just math. No matter what part of life you're in, if you're doing math and you have different mathematics in a sentence, you have to follow these rules. BEDMAS, so we do brackets first, then exponents, then division, multiplication, left to right. Okay, it doesn't have to be division before multiplication, they're the same level. Then finally addition, subtraction, left to right. So I always compare it to a video game. We've got 4 levels to win. So finish your brackets, finish your exponents, then finish your division and multiplication, finish your addition and subtraction. Okay, I'm going to put these down in a list like this so that they are slightly easier to follow. We're going to do some examples. Okay, so take a look at our first example here. I've got 2 plus 3 times 4. Your instinct would tell you, mental math, you can do 2 plus 3 is 5, but that's not correct. Okay, so I'd always start at the top. Are there any brackets? No. Are there any exponents? No. Is there any division or multiplication? Yes, there is. It's right here. So I'm going to do this first. I have to do this first. Okay, so I rewrite my problem. 2 plus 12, and I get 14. See if you can do the second one. So pause it. Let's take it up. So I've got 22.1 and I'm subtracting 4 to the power of 2. I would always check, do I have any brackets? No, I do not. Do I have any exponents? Yes, I do. I need to do my exponent next. If we remember exponents, 4 to the power of 2 is repeated multiplication of 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so I would rewrite my question, 22.1, take away 16, and I've got 6.1. Okay, you can see they're getting slightly more difficult. So again, I start at the top. Do I have any brackets? Yes, I do. So that means I'm going to have to do my bracket first. I underline it. I write out the rest of my problem exactly the same. 14, see, nothing's changed. I haven't done any math over here. The only math I've done is I've added 4 plus 3, which is in my brackets, which gives me 7. And then from here, my next step, I have to do my division multiplication. So I underline it. 14 times 2 is 28. I add my 7. I get 35. And let's go to a slightly more difficult one again. Okay, so do I have any brackets? Yes, I do. You'll also notice I have an exponent outside the bracket. So what that means is whatever is inside this bracket will be squared. It'll be exposed to that exponent. So I'm going to write it just like I would. I need to get rid of my bracket first. So 3.1 plus 2 is 5.1. I've still got my power of 2. (5.1) to the power of 2. Plus 5 plus 2 times 9. Okay, I've got rid of my brackets. I'm now into my exponent, so I have to do this bit again. The rest of my problem is going to stay the same. 5.1 to the power of 2 is 26.01. The rest of my problem stays the same. After after this. It's so tempting just to do this addition because it's so easy, but we can't get tripped up. We have to, after our brackets, we do our exponents, then we do our division, multiplication. I have some multiplication at the end. So 9 times 2 is 18. My 26.1, I'm adding 5. I'm adding that 18 and I get 49.01. Okay, so that is a reintroduction to BEDMAS, and there'll be a page for you to do along with it.